So this is a very beautiful and spacious living room. Spacious kitchen will get a lot of space. Spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of My Home Roots, which is located near MCA Cricket Stadium, Sant Tukaram Nagar, Mamurdi, Pune, and developed by Goel Properties. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project and the land parcel of the project is located behind the sales office. In front of the sales office, you get Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Now, before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. My Home Roots will be constructed on 27 acre of land parcel, in which you will be getting 4 towers, out of which 3 have been already launched. Towers will be having ground plus 27 floors, and in this you will be getting 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near MCA Cricket Stadium, Sant Tukaram Nagar, Mamurdi, Pune. As you can see, in front of the sales office is the service road that leads you directly to Rahway. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे which is 400 meters away, Reliance Smart Superstore which is 3.9 kilometers away, and Dehu Road railway station which is 4.8 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 25 plus luxurious amenities, in which you will be getting clubhouse, box cricket, multi-purpose hall, library, open gym and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a very spacious and luxurious 3 BHK sample flat, which has 1036 square feet carpet area. So this is the entrance of a sample flat, where just at your door you get a digital door lock for security purposes, and this is your entrance's lobby, where this is where you can set up your shoe rack and decorative items. Now let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is a very beautiful and spacious living room space, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony with it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. Now, before we check out the dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat, which is placed just at the entrance, as it is based on the butterfly concept. So this is our first bedroom of the flat. As you can see, it has a lot of walking space. You get your bed setup space here. You also get an attached window for ventilation and natural lighting. And then this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also get an attached guest washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a very beautiful dining space, where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now everybody, let's check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very spacious kitchen where you get a lot of space, and then you get a granite platform with sink attached to it, and you also get an attached window with it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now, let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before we check that out, let me also mention about the common washroom you get here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our second bedroom of the flat, which is a kid's bedroom. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space here too. And then this is your bed setup space. And then you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe space. Now, before I show you the third bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of a project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out the third bedroom. So this is a very spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, where you get a lot of walking space here. And then this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings, and is 3-side cover. You also get a walk-in wardrobe space here. You also get an attached master washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of My Home Roots, which is located near MCA Cricket Stadium, Sant Tukaram Nagar, Mamurdi, Pune, and is developed by Goel Properties. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.